Okay, ZT57. ZT53. ZT3. 29th December. Select options. December 29. Executable. Okay. Types begin of TY VBRK, which has these characteristics. TYVBRP, begin of TYVBRP. This is a structure. This is beginning of a structure. It is already explaining and outlining a structure, and it is also giving a structure of TYT06A. Then after we have defined types and structures, we have data types. ITVBRK will be type of TYVBRK. Okay, it will inherit the characteristics of this table. Okay, and then with internal table, we have work area for the same table, and we name type name one GP, ITVBRP type table VBRP work area, internal table 4006 work area 4006, quantity type I, integer. Then we have parameters, vbelen type vbelen vf. Do we have vbelen vf? No, we have not. Okay. Piece type C as checkbox, which is character. Checkbox will be stored as a character. P box type C as checkbox, piece or box. Field symbols. Now this is basically a message output system. If you look at it, ZJAN message output for programs. Save before exiting, yes. Okay. Select single fields from VBRK into work area VBRK where vbelen equals P vbelen. Okay. Select single, name one from KNA1 into vname. So from name one, we are pulling the data from KNA1 into vname, which is variable where table equals VBRK. So right here, if you look at it, we are giving a focal point to VBRK and involving new tables. So what we are pulling, let's check what this table is first. SC11 VBRK. Okay, change. Okay, VBRK is billing document header data. Now, what is billing document? Let's BF02. (907). Over here, this part is the header data, this part. Okay. And this table is billing document header data. And at header data, it will have client billing document, which is this billing document, billing type, billing type. We go back and see billing type. Billing document. Pricing conditions header. Header text. Header details. Okay. Billing document, billing type, billing category. Billing date, billing date. Anyways, I mean, this is the table that is handling this part of the document. Okay. And we are actually working with the logic VBR case billing document, and it is pulling in network. Now, network, let's see that. What is that? Network. Okay. Network is not active. Where is network? Kunrug. Okay. This is also not active. Very strange. FKDAT. FKDAT. This is also not active. FKDAT. 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 This is billing date. Okay. So pulling select single and putting it into work area where VBellen. Now, what is VBellen? Let's check that as well. I mean, this is how you build VBellen. Sales and distribution document number. Okay, so this is a connected tables, VBellen and VBRK. Select single name one from KNA1. Now, KNA1 is related to material. KNA1. General data in customer master. No, sorry, it's customer master into VName where KUNNR. KUNNR. Now, this is all related. KUNNR. Customer number where customer number equals VBRK KUNRG. So VBRK is billing data, sales and distribution document, and it will have a customer number equaling customer number from customer master data. Select language MSEHI, MSEHL from T06 into table IT, where SPRAS equals system language. Right billing document, left justified with 45 positions VBRK, 45 VBRK FK dash. Eight ZT53 28 December. Oh, we didn't save it. Okay. Select options, create. Okay, left justified, VBRK network, check, no syntax errors. Select Posner Arctex FKMJ from VBRP. Select all these fields into table IT VBRP where VBLN equals, which is sales and distribution of into equals P parameter of VBLN. Underline, write item register description, bill quantity, SU net value, loop at IT VBRP into work area. So it will compare IT VBRP internal table into work area. Read table IT. It is looping VBRP, which is billing document. Sorry, sales and distribution document, and it will read the table T06A into work area of T06A with key MSI equals VBRP, VRKME, VBRP. Now let's see what this is, VBRP. VRP, VRKME. VRKME, which is sales unit. Okay. With key MSI. Okay, right. VBRP Posner, Artex. If parameter piece equals X, right? VBRP FKIMG, right, justified, and MSEL. ElseIf Pbox equals X, quantity VBRP FKIMG, quantity by 10, right? Quantity, right, justified, boxes, and if and loop, activate. We'll understand the logic once we execute this program. Okay, direct processing. So VBLN. Belen. Sales and distribution document number. So let's do one thing. VF02. Okay. VBLN. What is VBLN? This is sales and distribution document number. So we go to VF02 billing document. Let's copy this. Continue. Currently being processed. Where is it being processed? Let's choose another one. Pricing conditions header, billing date, assignment. Jan message 0. Okay, let's correct this Jan message. Okay, I'll show you again. I'll show you again. Just a second. Now, this is basically if you input a wrong entry or if this value is empty. For example, if um, direct processing, if there are no pieces or boxes for this billing document. Okay, now we have actually selected one entry. So it is pulling in all the data. So whether we want to see pieces or boxes, we'll have to select one. Okay, that is the option that we have to give. So let's go back and change the messaging type, Zjan message. So I double click it, message is, select one of the check boxes. Save, active. So the format is message is the keyword, and this is the structure that will have this message this is the variable which has the message. This is the structure. Okay. I'll double click this one. Does not exist. Yes. Active. Direct processing. 902. Select one of the checkboxes. It has activated that. Okay, so this is actually giving the descriptions. Now, now this is your assignment that you actually connect the logic of this program, right? Because in the end, we actually went a little fast because the logic is basically residing over here.